What are they doing?
Hi.
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 Hi, Emma. Show them your birdie. Hi. Say hi. My name's Emma.
Hi.
Are you vlogging today? What are we doing today, Emma? What are we doing today? Are we gonna play with your toys? Philly.
Jesse, let's go in the treasure hunt. No. Let's
Go call her. Go call
treasure
her.
hunt. Treasure hunt.
Go call her.
Billy, come over here. I have a food for you.
Philly.
Billy, you keep flying.
Joshy woke up before all of us. And this chair wasn't here earlier. And these waffles weren't here. And this was full.
Daddy was
Joshy? Hey Josh. Who ate the Oreos?
us. Me.
Why?
No,
You guys
me.
need breakfast and you need to ask first. Why are you so bad, huh?
I'm gonna go find my pet, Philly. Oh, go. Let's go find her. Billy. Me. Let's see. Come here. Hey, she's here again. Billy, come on. We're looking for you. Looking for you. We're looking for you. Philly, over here. Instead, we're doing this. So we're doing this all day. So we got it all day. We got it.
So I'm trying to get ready so we can go pick up some lunch from Julie's school. And this bird won't leave me alone. Julie, leave me alone. Leave me alone, baby. So we are, where, Julie?
At my school,
What are we doing?
getting some lunch.
We're gonna get some lunch because it's hard to find bread, milk, protein in the stores right now. So they're gonna provide it for free. Why not?
Oh, yeah.
Why not? And they're usually pretty good too.
Oh, I saw Mr. Abel.
You did?
Yeah,
Who's that?
the one that cleans our lunch.
Oh, that's nice. He's cleaning your school so it's safe.
Yeah.
All right. So you drive up
Yes.
and you tell them how many kids you want, and then they bring, or how many kids you have, and they bring you your meals. They give you, like for us, it's gonna be 3 breakfasts and 3 lunches. So yeah, kids like it. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. 3 kids, please.
3. All right.
Thank you so much.
Lunches.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. And 3 breakfast.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
very
you.
welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Let's put everything in here. And now it's time to get inside. We look like twins. Oh yeah, Judy wears glasses now.
Yes, Jeffy.
What did we get? Let's see. So for lunch, looks like cheeseburgers, milk,
Peaches.
fruits.
Peaches.
Philly's food. Put over there.
Who's doing?
Carrots, raisins. Oh, and corn.
Yay, my favorite.
And then for breakfast, it looks like mini cinnamon rolls, milk, grapes, and orange juice. So, see, they get pretty good stuff. Sometimes they get fruit, applesauce, juice.
More
Um,
orange juice.
Pretty good thing.
Orange juice.
little pancakes. So I guess it depends.
Orange juice.
And then different schools has different things. Yeah, orange juice. So yeah, see, it's worth it to go. So now that I'm done ugly crying, I'm gonna go look for Philly one last time. I'm so sad, my baby. Let's go try to find her. The sun's going down. No. Okay, where should we look? She can be anywhere. So it's 6:47 and I can't find her. Sun's going down. I've looked all over the neighborhood. Yuri's looked and we can't find her. I'm so sad. She has like a very like distinct sound. She makes a little chirp when she's like near you or when she's lost or scared or anything like that, so we can find her easily. She's always in the house, so like I know all her sounds and I don't hear her. I'm trying to be Chiona over here, but I'm very sad. That was my little buddy. Not only that, but all this coronavirus stuff is going on, so it's like it's depressing. Like everything's closed. Like I came over here to the little park by my house. Never been over here, but I'm alone, so I don't want the kids to see me crying and being a little baby, so I came for a little walk while I looked for my bird. Look at this, it's kind of crazy. They're closing the park. Everyone's walking around. You never see people walking around like this. I don't even walk around like this. I'm so sad. This week just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. And then with the quarantine, we can't even have family over. It's moments like this when I want to go be with my mom and dad. Because I'm a big baby. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but I'm just venting. That's what I have my Philly for. I talk to her, and Philly's my bird, by the way. I don't think I've said her name. And then tomorrow's Joshy's birthday. He's turning 4. I hope I find her. Alright, I'm gonna go back home before my neighbors are like, who's this lady? Why is she out? She's an old bird, so she gets tired quick and takes lots of breaks. So I have hope that she's not too far. But she's a dumb bird. Why'd she fly away like that? I could have sworn I just heard her little call. Unless I'm just going crazy. Just going around the neighborhood. Hopefully I at least hear her and she sees me and she flies back. Damn it, Philly. Got me out here looking crazy. Looks like I'm talking to myself. I'm smiling, but I'm very sad. Maybe she came over here. This is probably a horrible angle of seeing all the mocos and everything. The things I do for this bird. Lord knows I don't go out for walks. And if I get kidnapped, at least there's video of it. So, we'll see. These people are like, who's she talking to? We up in the hills? Never seen any of this. There's a park over here too. Maybe she flew over here. Everything's closed. It's kind of scary. You know, when this quarantine's over, you guys want to do mini sessions right here? Let me know. This is pretty. I don't know where the hell I'm going, but oh, bunny. See, I find everything but this damn bird. Alright, I'm gonna go before a freaking mountain lion or something shows up. Alright. Oh, sun's going down. Still no sign of my bird. I feel like I hear her. Oh, I heard her that way. But I can't go that way. Do you guys hear it? I'm gonna cry. I hear her. So I'm back. And I couldn't find her. Could have sworn I heard her though. I heard her like on the opposite side of the street, in the trees, across the freaking, yeah. Either way, I couldn't have gotten to her. By the time I would have gotten over there, she would have flown away. That was my little baby. Oh, you guys gonna see me cry? No, don't do it. Get back in there. They're gonna come over here. Walking. She's ready to walk. Emma. First step's coming soon. Hey, go. Take a step. Nope, she's being silly.
Oh!
You know the angles.
Well, not much got done today, but I think that's the end of the video. Time to get some editing done.
My eyes are all swollen from crying.
Oh man, I slept on my hair, so it's all jacked up. This is what you call a coronavirus quarantine cut. I had to go to my barber's house to get my hair cut because the shop is closed.
Should have seen him. Chewbacca. We don't have a pet anymore. Nasty. Oh my gosh.
Nice little baby. I almost threw up on my phone.
Okay, well, see you guys tomorrow for Josh's birthday.
Peace.
Emma, say bye. What are you doing? Say bye.
Bye.